Have you ever wondered if engine flush really works? We're about to find out. If you've seen my other video, when I changed the oil, it was really dirty, and I changed it with fresh oil. I don't drive this car much. I hardly ever drive this car. I've only put about 50 miles on it, maybe, if that. So, we're about to find out if engine oil flush really works. That was a really neat purple tint. And you get your keys, put it in the ignition, start the car, let it run for 5 minutes. Alright dudes, about to find out if this oil flush is really worth it. So I'm gonna undo that bolt right there, and we're about to see it drip out. Bye bye old oil. Oh, that's still hot. That is still hot. Yeah, does it work? I'd say so. I would definitely say so. Oh yeah. Long awaited urination this engine tried to do. This previous owner, the owner before me, did not take care of the car very well. But luckily, it's in better hands. Hopefully I can get the right amount of paychecks coming in and it'll be good to go. I sure hope those are bubbles. I think they are. Oh man. So does Motor Medic work? Yes it does. Like I said, I've only driven this thing about 50 miles and not even that. Yeah, it really works. So, motor flush, Motor Medic, I give it a thumbs up. Alright, now time to add some Valvoline full synthetic high mileage 520. And I'm telling you guys, this is much better than the no-name brand from Walmart, AutoZone. When I was testing my other turbo, my small turbo, and I tried oils, this helped it spin a lot faster. I mean, I'm sure it helped the acceleration on it, but it helped it spin a lot longer. When I shut the car off, it was still spinning. But that Walmart oil, this is some good stuff. Now what's crazy was when I went to AutoZone, this stuff cost 40 bucks. But when I went to Walmart, 25 and some change plus tax, about 28 bucks, something like that. But yeah, let's pour this stuff in and check out this new bottle, new container. It's supposed to be an easy pour. Pretty cool. I wonder if I'm the first one on YouTube to be showing this. Oh well, no one will ever know. Oh crap, I just spilled it on myself. But this is what it looks like. It's brownish, yellow, golden. It's like someone peed on me that had a lot of something in their diet. Yeah, it pours really freaking easy. I love this Valvoline. I really doubt you watch YouTube and other people's videos, but yeah, this is really cool. Now that I know I can return my oil to my valve cover, you see how much oil is going in there? Easily. So you can return oil to your valve cover if you're turbocharged and you have nowhere else to go. The oil pan's off limits for me because I have to drill in it, I have to remove the cross member. Too crazy. Too much work. So to the oil pan is a no-go. Valve cover is a yes go.